Hi guys, do you want to use Telegram on your Windows? But the problem is the default Telegram app is not so accessible with screen reader. But don't worry, today I will tell you how you can also use Telegram on your Windows PC. So keep watching this video till the end to learn the complete process. That will decide from Accessible Computing. Let's begin the journey. To do that, you need to download one application called Unigram. You can download this application from Microsoft Store. Press Windows key, open search.
Start window, search window.
Type Store.
Microsoft Store app.
Press Enter.
Microsoft Store window. Microsoft Store window.
Press Tab.
Button, search grouping, search edit land.
Here search Unigram, Unigram. Press Enter.
8 suggestions.
Press Tab.
Home not selected, 1 of 3. All departments toggle button. Press
Tab.
1. Unigram Telegram for Windows Social published by Unigram.
Press Enter here.
5.
Press
Install
Tab.
button, install a 4. Install button, install a Unigram Telegram.
Click Install.
Button. Pause download.
Please wait while it is being installed.
Open button, open a Unigram Telegram.
Done. It is now installed. Click on Open button to open it.
A Unigram window.
Now we need to configure our account. So you can use the same account which is in your Telegram phone. After opening it, press Tab once.
Or log in using your phone number link.
Click here.
Edit +91.
Enter your mobile number.
Num lock.
Press Tab.
Button. OK button.
Click on OK. You will receive an OTP to your Telegram. So you need to enter that OTP here.
Code edit land.
So in this edit box you need to enter that code. Let me enter the code.
Telegram dialog. Telegram needs access to your contacts so that you can connect with your friends across all your devices. Your contacts will be continuously synced with Telegram's heavily encrypted cloud servers. Continue button. Okay,
so once you enter the code, you will see this dialog. If you want, you can continue, but I don't want.
Not now button.
Click on Not Now.
Open navigation menu list.
Done. Now you can use Telegram on your PC. But as it is a new thing, so you must know the interface. So let's introduce its interface. I'm pressing Tab.
Search edit land.
Here you can search any chat.
Land. New conversation button.
Click here to start a new conversation. If you press Enter here.
New group 1 of 3.
New group.
New secret chat 2 of 3.
New secret chat. If you want, I will make another video about secret chat.
New channel 3 of 3.
New channel.
New group 1 of.
Okay. Then
app control. Chats tab selected 1 of 4. List.
Chats
list
tab.
0 mon 1 of 10. Go back button. Tab can. Go open navigation menu link.
Open navigation menu. So if you click here.
List show accounts.
You will see these options. Show accounts.
Save messages 2
I
of
was
10.
in download. Save messages.
Chats 4 of 10.
Chats.
Contacts 5 of
Contacts.
10. Calls 6 of 10.
Calls.
Settings 7 of 10.
Settings. So under settings, you will get all the settings related to your Unigram, not your Telegram. These settings are applicable only on your Unigram.
Telegram features 9 of 10.
Then Telegram features. That's it.
Settings 7 of.
So let's click on settings.
Open navigation menu link.
Now here you need to press Tab and Shift Tab key.
Search settings and tab control. Settings tab. Search settings and fact.
Here you can search any settings anytime. If that is available in settings, you can use it. I'm pressing Tab.
Tab control. Settings tab selected 4 of 4. Profile
Settings
photo
tab.
link.
So here you can upload your profile photo.
List edit profile not selected 1 of 10.
You can edit your profile. So here are some options, some features available which you need to navigate by using up arrow down arrow key.
Appearance edit profile 1 of 10.
Edit profile.
Appearance 2 of 10.
Appearance.
Privacy and security 3 of 10.
Privacy and security.
Notifications and sounds 4 of 10.
Notifications and sounds. So you can change the notification sounds.
Data and storage 5 of 10.
Data and storage.
Power saving 6 of 10.
Power saving.
Chat folder 7 of 10.
Chat folders.
Devices 8 of 10.
Devices. So under devices, you will find all your logged in devices.
Language 9 of 10.
Language.
Advanced 10 of 10.
Advanced. Okay. So this is the brief of your settings. So just you need to press enter on any settings and use tab key to find out the other options related to that settings. If you want, I'll make another video regarding every settings, but already we have made a video on how to use Telegram in your Android phone. I would like to request you to check out that video. I'll try to put the link into the first comment section. Now I'm going back.
Open navigation menu. Search edit blank new conversation button.
If you press tab,
control chats tab selected
chats tab.
List archive chats.
So here you'll get the chats, archive chats,
save
then
messages number 21 day
save messages.
Channel accessible computing notice.
This is our channel.
Telegram verified login code.
This is the Telegram channel.
Channel mix root mods 275 new met.
This is another channel.
PHP and
this is another group.
Vestige channel SPF SAP Dweepam channel tech byte.
This is another this is a channel name.
2 new messages. CV maker Mon video Ikra Patel 1 bot Instagram group administrative department.
Okay, so these are some bots. So chats are very simple to WhatsApp. And you can easily use Telegram. You need to use tab and shift tab key and you can easily find all the options. Still, if you have doubts and queries, you can ask me into the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Please share your thoughts into the comment section and make sure to subscribe this channel to get more videos for free. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.